Right, Prajwal. In fact, this is only intensifying. The protests are only getting more and more dramatic. What do we understand as far as this announcement is concerned? Because this has happened in the past, and that's why we see the organization, people from the organization, the Karnataka Nameboards, are only even more enraged now. They are disappointed that time and again such announcements have been made, but nothing has happened. What have been the roadblocks as far as implementing this or enforcing this 60% of Kannada on name boards is concerned?
First and foremost, the government of Karnataka has already looked into the legal aspects of going ahead and installing 60% of the name boards as Kannada over here as well. We also recently saw the BBMP Commissioner, Mr. Tushar Girinath, who has now gone ahead and given business establishments 15 days time to go ahead and install it at 60%, because this comes after a modification or an amendment which was made by the Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike only in these streets. Just getting these visuals again now. There is a lot of vandalism happening right there on our screens as well. Even as my video journalist is tracking this, you can see that people are trying to enter. You can look at it right here. The boards has been completely toppled off now, because earlier this was not toppled off, because on this entire board there was English wordings which was written on it. This has again been smashed. The hotel has again been smashed now, and this board has also been brought down by the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike's group too, even as people are going ahead and staying there. So this is a massive, protest going out here. The violence is only intensifying. Look at it, even amidst the presence of the cops. Now, we are seeing the Pro-Kannada activists trying to go ahead and enter the hotel. They're trying to remove these boards as well. On your screens, this vandalism, you can clearly see this on your screens out there, right in front of the cops. The vandalism is taking place outside a private hotel. So all said and done, the scenario is getting only tense, even as the cops are trying to control them. You're seeing that people are, the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike activists are demanding that the hotel authorities, the hotel management comes out, and they are completely vandalizing it, shredding these boards, name boards, into pieces out here as well. Even as people are going in, we are looking that more and more cops are coming in. More and more cops coming in now inside the hotel. Now you can look at it, that cops are trying to, move away these activists. So we will need to go ahead and look at it. So look at this scene out here. People are trying to enter the hotel out here. You see these visuals, ruckus. Property is being damaged. Property right there on your screens being damaged out here. Look at this, a violent turn of protest. A violent turn of protest out here by the Karnataka Rakshana Vedike activists out here, slamming them, breaking these pots out here, and vandalizing and damaging it completely. So we are seeing that the police are now going ahead, forming a human chain out there. They're forming a human chain out there. Stones are being pelted. Stones are being pelted at the glasses. Stones are being pelted at the glasses. You can go ahead and look at it. Stones are being pelted at the glasses of these hotels too. So look at it. That they are enraged. They're angry by it. And stones are now being pelted. We see that the hotel employees as well as the customers out there are moving away from the window glasses, are moving away out there. You can look at it now. They're moving away. This is the sort of vandalism that is going on out here. You can clearly go ahead and see it now. The police are trying to pull them away, but now in fact, chairs and tables which are placed outside this particular hotel is being thrown at the glasses out here. So it's a huge ruckus which is breaking out here in Bengaluru, even as hundreds and thousands of them are laying siege at multiple places now, and multiple hotels are being vandalized out here. This is the third such hotel that is being vandalized. We're also looking that the cops are going ahead and videographing this entire incident out there. So it's a total chaos now. Other parts of the name boards are being vandalized as well. I would just request my video journalist to step back a bit so that the police can go ahead and do their duty. I would request my video journalist to step back a bit as well, because look at this. This was completely unprovoked. Pots are being broken. Pots are being broken out here. tables and chairs being thrown at the glasses as well. And people are absolutely terrified. The people inside the hotel are absolutely terrified. Even as we look at this, so all the pots, all the property being damaged in the name of Kannada Nameboards here. So this is absolutely shocking, because now this also raises questions about the law and order. This also raises questions about the law and order. Weren't they prepared to go ahead and handle it? Thousands of them, around 7 to 8 cops out here. How are they even managing this entire incident? Look at the sort of vandalism that you're going ahead and seeing on our screens. Completely vandalized, chairs broken, tables thrown at the glasses, and the sort of property damage that is being witnessed out here on our screens as well, which can clearly go. Just focus on those glasses. You can see the hits from the stones there out on the glasses as well. So it's a massive protest which is breaking out as well out here in Bengaluru. So we will need to wait in as to how this will happen and whether additional police force will be deployed to make sure that there will be no sort of other untoward incidents which will break out as well. This was expected to happen. There was a protest expected to happen. But the police deployment, that is something which we need to go ahead and question the government as to why was there no additional force deployed on the ground, even as property is being vandalized. All the hotels across this line is being vandalized. Over to you in the studios.